we can teach him to walk on his front paws. So he'll pop that back end up. Come here. Come here. Did I get in your way? Come here.
Turn that light on. Thanks. Bailey, gonna share your bed?
Come here, Tater.
Will they come out on the other side? There they
Oh, you found the water and food.
are. Oh, are they gonna come out on the other side? There they are.
Whoops. Bailey. Bailey, quit picking on him.
He could take her if he wanted to. It's on now. WWF puppy power. Keep up with the little rascals. Okay.
Ooh, that was Bailey.
I got it on camera. Come eat your food. Hi. Hi.
Yeah, I wonder if we're gonna have to go back and get separate food bowls.
I don't know. Tater. Nope.
So
Sneaking.
he's stopping that back and his butt went up. Come here.
No.
Come here. Good boy.
That's a good boy, Tater.
Maybe we need to call him Poppy.
What was that?
I wonder why he jumps up on his off his legs like that.
I don't know. That's awfully weird, isn't it? Tater!
Oh, he's gonna pounce. All right, you can get in there, Tater.
Hey!
Baby.
No, ma'am.